What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Miesha, and I'm back with another video. This is the season to be pleasing in your curly hair, sis. I just feel like the winter is made for curly hair. It's so cute. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? Today I'm gonna be installing my wig with some grip gel. I'm doing like a comparison between grip gel and got to be glue gel. And also I have a wig with fake scalp. So yes, very much plot twist in this video today. So I installed my wig with gel and I ain't got no scalp, sis. Not for real. It's made with a fake scalp to appear as your real scalp, so that you don't have to use the ball cap method. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that in this video. If you are interested in seeing me lay my lace and install this wig, go ahead and keep on watching. So the wig that I'm going to be using in this video today is from Superbwigs, and this is the box that it came in. Inside the packaging, they sent over some new wig caps and some adjustable bands so that you can put in your wig if you want to. So I will be using these today. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing. This does have a fake scalp in the inside. It has lace all the way around. So if you would like to glue down the back, you could. So there is some adjustable straps in the back as well, so you can adjust it right here. And this is where you will put the band that it comes with. Now this right here is optional. Oh wow, right here. So this right here is optional, but I'm going to be using it on today, and it also comes with the combs. So yeah. So since this wig does have like a fake scalp in the inside, I've never actually worked with a fake scalp wig, but it's supposed to mask like your hair underneath so that you don't have to put on a wig cap. I'm very excited to see how this is gonna look because I usually don't like to wear wig caps under my wigs. So yeah. So to install my wig today, I'm gonna be using products from one collection or one brand. And it's gonna be the Aura's olive oil brand, and I have their Liquid Fix Spritz gel. I have some mousse, super hold spray, 2-in-1 heat defense and shine mist, and some grip gel. So I went ahead and got all of those products. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use every single last one of them, but I'm gonna be testing them out today. So before I actually install the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges back with the grip gel. So do y'all see the hairline on this wig? Like, it is so natural. The way that it like mimics a natural hairline. This is by far the best hairline I've seen on any wig. So it did come as a natural hairline. I went in and plucked it like very slightly. It really was slim to none, like little to no effort on the plucking because it was already like natural and faded out. So I really had to stop plucking because I didn't want to take too much hair out. I'm going to be applying this wig in sections, and I'm going to lay it down with the grip gel. So I've applied the first layer. I'm only going to be doing 2 layers of the grip gel just to ensure it's a secure hold, but I don't want it to last very, very long. So I'm only going to do 2 layers. And once this gets dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply the second layer. So the gel has dried, the first layer. I'm going to go in with the second layer, and once that one gets tacky, I'm going to go ahead and lay down the first piece of my lace. So right now along the hairline, I see a little crustiness. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna spray some super hold spray along the hairline, and we're gonna tie it down. Now this is the finished look, and this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. When y'all subscribe to my channel, make sure y'all turn y'all post notification bell on so that you can get notified when I upload new videos. Anyways, follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MyIshaLeve_. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this look and how I did my hair. And also, have you tried the Oars olive oil collection? If you have, let me know your experience down below. It didn't cake up as much as I thought it would in comparison to the Got2b glue gel, but I mean, they both are gels. It's not lace glue, so it gets a pass for me. So for this fake scalp, it's very much giving me scalp, like, yes. I don't have on any wig cap underneath this wig, and I don't know, I think they mastered it with the fake scalp method. I didn't do like a definite part. I just did like a flip over, but the fake scalp is there, sis, like, it's mine. The fake scalp really helps with skipping a step with the bald cap method. So if you don't really know how to get your bald cap bald, this is the way to go. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.